In this video, I will teach you how to earn $91 every hour by just watching videos, which is one of the simplest methods to make money online. How should it be done? We will find out soon enough. This is how to get money online simply by watching videos. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. If you have any questions or comments, please post them in the comments box below. Also, please leave a remark with your home country so that I may create a video to assist you in earning money online that is appropriate in your country. In this video, you can earn hundreds or thousands of dollars that will help you to pay your debt, loan, and you can buy the latest mobile phone, new laptop, go on a vacation with your family or friends just to relax and have fun. You can leave your job and be the boss with this new technique. As a result, make the maximum money. The first step is to watch the video. The second step is to give it at least 60 seconds of your time. The third step is to cash out your earnings. And that is all there is to it. Today, I will show you the single most successful website for generating money online by simply viewing videos. This website is available from anywhere in the world and is entirely free to use. Now, before I go on to discuss how you can achieve this, I am from blank, aka your country, and I would like you to leave a comment. That way, I will be able to locate your origins so that in the future, I can be certain that every video I release is intended for you. And don't forget that I will be providing special additional tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple what other people are earning. So be sure to stick around and keep watching till the very end. Now let's return to the video. First and foremost, I would like you to visit zoombox.com. This website is entirely free, safe, and legal. As you can see, there are several ways to earn money by just completing surveys, viewing videos and TV shows, and engaging in offers. However, for the sake of this video, we will focus on viewing videos because it is something you already do daily and pays the most money for the least amount of work. So go ahead and select the option to watch TV. Allow me to now explain how this website works. Step 1 is to sign up for a free account on this website. Step 2 is to choose a channel that interests you. Then, begin watching TV shows and videos. Points will be added to your account when you watch those videos. You may also look for additional revenue by moving between other channels. Finally, you may redeem your points for cash or gift cards. It is really that simple. So be sure you watch this video all the way through to fully comprehend how this website operates. The first step, as previously said, is to register a free account on this website. To do so, go to the home page, enter your email address, establish a password, and then click the Sign Up Now button. You can also join up with your Facebook or Google account for a more convenient experience. You may now see how much money you can make on our website by logging into your Zoombucks account. People have made anything from $200 to $500, and you may be the next. These people are all making money on Zoombucks by watching videos, doing surveys, or joining in offers. The best thing is that there are a big amount of videos available here, and all of those movies are reset every day. So there is an unending potential for you to earn money here by just watching videos. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will show your support and love for my videos. Also, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I upload a new video about how to earn money online. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. To begin, go to the left-hand side and select Watch. Following that, you will notice these boxes with the words Hideout TV and Lootably written on them, and if you hover your mouse over them, you will discover the specifics of their offers. Then by selecting the Start button, pick Lootably. You will then be sent to this page where you may choose the video category. You may choose from the category of cuisine, DIY, and random videos. On the right side, you can see how many points you can get in each category. If I choose food, for example, I will be directed to this page. To advance, you will need to create a free account, which you can do right here. To do so, simply enter your email address, create a password, and click the sign up button. After creating a Lootably account, you will be sent to this website where you may watch all of the food related videos. You may view as many videos as you like on our website. If I click this one, for example, I will be brought to another website where I must watch the video for at least 60 seconds to earn money. To give you extra advice on how to increase your earnings, you may view as many videos as you like on various tabs at the same time. You will be able to view a lot of videos while doing other things this way. As a result, you will be able to earn the most money in the least amount of time and effort. More videos may be viewed by clicking all of these videos on the right hand side. Another idea I have is to decrease the video quality by going to the video settings. I would like you to set it to the lowest video quality possible to conserve data. As a consequence, you will be able to view as many 60-second films as you want while still making as much money as you want. These additional techniques are really powerful and you can apply them right now to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings on this website in a single day. Now, before we go any further, if you are enjoying this video, which I have spent a lot of time and work into, I would really appreciate it if you could touch the like button and subscribe with notifications turned on. I will release a brand new video the following week to teach you guys precisely how to make even more money online doing simple things like this from the comfort of your own home. Now let's return to the video. Now that you know how to make money on Zoombucks.com simply by viewing videos, I would like to teach you another method to make money on this site, taking out surveys. You should notice surveys on the left side of your Zoombucks dashboard, which you should click. You will next be given a selection of companies that offer short surveys to complete. As demonstrated below, each survey will pay you $0.85, $0.60, $10, $3, and $5, or so much more. Simply select the organization that gives you the most money, then, just like previously, register a free account with a firm of your choice and start doing as many surveys as you like. And if you want to make even more money, you should watch this video right now to learn about the easiest technique to generate money online for beginners that is available worldwide. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.